Hi everyone, I'm Professor Paul Tipton. I'm President of the British Academy of Restorative Dentistry and Clinical Director of the Tipton Training Academy. And I have a special message for all the dentists in Africa and especially in Nigeria. I'd like to tell you about a new and exciting opportunity coming up that brings our unique Restorative and Aesthetic Dentistry Certificate and Diploma program to Nigeria again following the COVID outbreak. We will again be partnered by Dr. Karunwi at Dental Solutions in Lagos, from where the program will be run. There we have multiple surgeries for the clinical teaching aspects such as occlusion and TMD, and also a phantom headroom for teaching of all the prosthodontic hands-on parts of the program, including crown and onlay preps, rubber dam, composites, bridge design and preps, veneers, post-crowns, etc., etc. The programs can lead onto a UK-based Level 7 PG certificate or diploma qualification from Ejequal. Ejequal are a UK-based national education authority. It can also lead on to an MSc in Restorative and Aesthetic Dentistry via Plymouth University. The course is also accredited and recognised by the Royal College of Surgeons of England, something we're really proud of. The program covers in detail the main topics of restorative and aesthetic dentistry, such as treatment planning, veneers, advanced composite techniques, orthodontics, digital smile design, tooth preparation techniques, digital dentistry, and a lot more. It has a special focus on occlusion, that's my pet subject, which is taught in an understandable and easy to apply real-life clinical situation. Our target audience are GPs, dentists, dental students, dental interns, and other specialist dentists. All the training is delivered either by myself or UK specialists who I've worked with for many years in the UK, Dubai, etc. They work with me and have worked with me for a long time. The courses also provide access to the online library at Tipton Training, where 30 days prior to every module, participants will gain access to demos, videos, webinars, and reading materials. Prior to starting this course, however, we will be introducing a brand new 3-day online certificate, a taster program, covering topics such as occlusion, veneers, crowns, and composites. So take a look at this program, and I hope that you'll sign up for it and have the chance to personally mentor you. So for further details and how to apply, please see the bottom of the screen. I look forward to seeing you shortly. Take care. Nice to meet you.